Ka-chow!
The e-brake should be between 7 to 9 clicks. Start by removing the center console. This one just lifted right up and over the e-brake. This is the e-brake adjusting nut. I used a ratcheting wrench, but you can use a regular wrench. To tighten, I turned the nut to the right. Nine clicks is within the acceptable spec, but it will loosen again anyway, so I'm aiming for closer to 7 clicks.
That's perfect.
Double check it. Put the center console back on and voila! Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe below so we can help other people find this video. You can find other helpful tips and tricks on my Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and LinkedIn at Girlie Garage.